Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to add competitors to your Octave library and then use them in a competitive playbook. So here's our library where if you scroll down, you'll see the section for competitors. And this is just a sample workspace for Stripe. So we're just going to drop in some of their competitors here. So we're going to go with one of their competitors and click generate. Cool. So just like any library element, Octave is going to spin this up automatically, and then you can go in and refine it by chatting with it. So if you want to change things like what competitive strengths to focus on, like the reasons why you win, things like that, you can just chat with it. Once it all looks good in the library, we can build a competitive playbook which will focus on positioning the product against a competitor in your market. So we're going to make a playbook real quick here. We're going to click on the product. We are going to click on competitive as our angle of attack. So that's what's going to actually use the competitor messaging in the playbook. So you're going to see it's going to make you choose a competitor. We're going to choose the one we created and then click continue. This is where you're setting up the rest of your playbook, like your competitive positioning, key insights, the personas that you're directing the messaging towards, use cases. We are just gonna run through these. If you want to know more about how to best set up playbooks, we have videos for each of these in our content library. And for now, we're just gonna click generate. Once your playbook looks good to go, we can run an agent on this playbook and see how it focuses the messaging on the competitive advantages of your product over the competitor. So you can see here we created an agent. You choose Stripe as the product. You choose your competitive playbook as the playbook that it's focused on. So this can be really helpful if you're scraping leads who you know are using one of your competitors, and this is a good playbook and agent for that playbook to use. And here's what that result looks like. You can see it now. It's referencing one of those competitive value props, which in this case it's regional expansion. But yeah, if you want to make this even more customized, you can even throw in the competitor name as context and have it essentially mention the competitor in the email if you wanted to do that as well, like I did right here. But yeah, so that's competitors. Hope that helped.